Hi, I'm Seth Fenby from Q Sales Inc. and this is a virtual inspection by video. What we have here is a Scag 52 Advantage hydraulically driven lawnmower. We're going to run this machine and then we're going to inspect the major components. As you can tell, the machine starts right up on the first or second pull when it's a warm day. The clutch does stick a little bit when you first engage the blades, but they've come on every time. They've never not come on. The deck on this is in very good condition. We recently repainted it. It does have a couple small dents in a couple of the parts of it, but this is the Advantage deck, so it's the better one. They used to make the straight deck, but now it's the Advantage. There is the weld on the post there that's very sturdy. No, it's not cracked. The engine is an FH500V 17 horsepower Kawasaki engine. It's your choke. Got a 5-gallon fuel tank. It's your console, your throttle, blade engagement, speed control. It's your operator presence controls. Hydraulic pumps and wheel motors in very good condition, no leaks, and they are responsive. There are no problems with those. The rear tires are approximately 50–60% right in there. The front tires are right around the same. This is a good running and operating machine. It's ready to be used. We have saw keys available for an additional fee. If you have any questions, feel free to call me. Thank you.